Let's get to that final trade of the day with Joel Hawthorne, the founder of the Morning Snapshot. Good to have you there, Joel. And Joel, what is the market telling you, and what is your trade of the day?
Trade of the day, I'm looking closely at Ford, but before I become too aggressive on Ford, I'm really concerned about the overall week of the market. I wanted to kind of chat with you about that today, Angie. Very busy week with earnings, with the tech CEOs speaking with the House this week, along with Chicago PMI, FOMC rate decision. Crude oil numbers will report this week, so a very busy week in the overall market. So I do like Ford for the long haul, but I am very cautiously waiting to see what kind of economic data will report this week and how the market will be impacted by that.
Sounds like you are concerned about selling pressure in this market, Joel.
You know, very, very strongly. I do think that we have an opportunity here to really see some form of a pullback. But also this week, we may get some more information on some of that stimulus package being as well. So I think that right now, this week is a very sensitive week for the market. Things could really either rally very aggressively, or we may have an opportunity to get a pullback if the street doesn't like the information that reports this week. So I think this is a very sensitive time for the market this week. I'll be watching closely. I am optimistic about Ford. I think there's a lot of opportunity there in the long haul. But like I said, this week is a very cautious week for me.
Tell us more why you like Ford. What do you see happening here? What would be a potential trade?
Well, I think the stock right now is still a bit undervalued. I think it's trading just under $7, about $6.70 or so, roughly. I think this is definitely an opportunity for Ford in the near future as they are rolling out some electric vehicles to kind of compete in that market. I think Ford could definitely be a $9 plus stock here in the coming months, maybe late next year as they roll out more vehicles. There's a lot of optimism around what they do. I think Ford is a household name, a long-term name. So for me, I'm just looking at the stock, and I'm looking to hold the stock for quite some time.
Thank you, as always, Joel, for your trade of the day.
Thanks for having me, Angie.
For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.